I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse, and today we're talking about houseplants. And houseplants becoming very popular. Starting to see them in a lot of magazines. You're starting to see, a lot of even real estate magazines where you have these plants. They're prominently featured, but there could be a problem with some of those pictures.
There could be, Jeff. And we love that houseplants are growing in popularity. They have over the past few years, but it's called staging. And we do the same thing around here. So when you're looking in the magazine and you say, man, I love that fiddle leaf fig, or I love that ficus, and you see it in conditions where it's tucked back behind a couch or something like that, might not be the best thing. So you want to do a little research on your plants, number one, see what kind of light they like. Fiddle leaf fig doesn't like a lot of air movement, so you don't want to put it by a vent. And then other than that, it's pretty simple to take care of. What we've learned over the years with our plant rental business is consistency. So if we're coming by your house on Wednesdays, we're always going to come by your house on Wednesdays and water. The plants love the consistency where they're put as well as in the watering.
So you don't want to move them around too much, keep the watering schedule.
Yeah.
They're pretty consistent.
Right.
And these indoor plants don't really necessarily need a whole lot of water, and you don't want to overwater them.
They don't. When we do ours once a week, people kind of go, oh my gosh, they got to take more than that. One property we've been doing for 3 years, Steve's been going by once a week, does fine. And one of the other things you got to remember, so we put saucers under everything. If the plant waters through, say in the summer when you're watering a little bit more, and it goes down, because you need a saucer, goes down and hits a saucer, ever so often you want to make sure you pull this plant out of there, put it in the sink and let it drain. You don't want that water to stay in the saucer week after week. It gets old, plus the plant never really dries out because the water's going back and forth.
So clean out those containers there.
Clean out the trays.
And make sure that you let them drain out every once in a while.
Every once in a while. As far as fertilizing, you really don't need to fertilize much through the winter. In the spring, we'll use the Osmocote. We use another product, a water-soluble type product, because all you're trying to do is maintain the plants. You're really not trying to create a lot of growth. Keep an eye on them this winter for the insects. We've talked about that before. And then if you want to polish them, we've got a plant spray here. So basically, it's a really safe wax you can use inside. You would just spray it on and then wipe it off. And we got time to talk about the...
we got some
just for a second. This is
grow lights here.
Some grow lights. What you need to realize is it would take a big thing like the lights we have in here to really do some difference. So I'm not saying don't buy them, but I'm not recommending to buy them.
Yeah, especially because you need a small plant right up next to it.
You would need it right there, yeah.
Okay, that's about all the time we have for this week in the Good Earth Greenhouse. Join us back here next Wednesday.